It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with every day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Sit right next to you.
Alright, y'all, so I am at the mall. Well, Spotsylvania. Is that what I said? Spotsylvania Town Center. I'm about to go in Belk. I want to see if they have any nice bars. I want to see if they have furniture. I don't even know if they sell furniture or not. But I want to look and see if they have any nice not bar stools, but counter stools. Yeah, I just want to look around and see what they have. And then I also want to go in Macy's because I know they sell furniture. And look at their stuff. And I need to grocery shop today because tomorrow's Monday and we need food. We haven't done like a major grocery shop yet. I am getting HelloFresh this week, so I don't have to do as big of a shop as I would normally do, but I do need to get like fruit, just like snacks and stuff for them to eat throughout the week. So yeah, I do need to go grocery shopping, and I need to get my husband some slides because he wants some like Adidas slides. Yeah, I saw him trying to wear my mom's earlier and they were too small. So yeah, I'm gonna look for him some slides just because we don't wear shoes on the carpet. So we're in and out of the garage all the time, and he needs something to just slide on and be able to go out into the garage or out into the yard and then bring back and kick off at the in the mud room, because it's a lot when you got to take your shoes off and put them back on and you're wearing like normal shoes. So slides kind of are imperative. So I've never been in a Belk before, so I have no idea what they have, but we're about to see. I asked somebody and they don't sell duvets, but I mean, they don't sell furniture, so I can't get the bar stools. But they do sell bedding, so they might have duvets, and I can look at that. They have some nice quilts. I bought a quilt. I actually bought 2 quilts at Walmart. I need to show y'all because they're so cute. And I'm planning to put them at the foot of the beds once they're done. But we don't have duvets yet, so we need to get duvets, duvet covers. Definitely not here to shop for that today, but I just thought I would look since I'm here. These are really nice coasters. This is cute, like a little charcuterie board. Cutting boards, I really like that one too. Ooh, 40% off with a coupon in the Belk app. Open an account and everything is 20% off. Check your prices with the Belk app. Okay. And y'all, my frother died. I only used it for like, today was the 2nd day. It stopped working, and that's why I don't buy appliances from Aldi, because they break after like 2 uses every single time. I don't have to receipt no more, otherwise I would go get my $5 back. Okay, finally home. So here's everything that I got from the store. Let's go ahead and do a quick haul. So I went to Aldi, BJ's, Target, and Walmart. Let's start with BJ's. So I got some bacon. Actually, it's all mixed up together, so I'm just going to haul everything. But this is from BJ's. Bacon. These are also from BJ's for Corey. These little Crocs. They were only $6, so I was like, let me go ahead and grab those for her. Got some American cheese, some pepper jack, Colby jack, mozzarella, and some Parmesan. And then I also got some string cheese. And then avocado for avocado toast. For me, I found a ripe avocado, so I'm probably going to be eating avocado toast for the next 2 mornings. Some fries and some yogurt, strawberry Greek yogurt and toasted coconut Greek yogurt. Got some Reese's Puffs. These are from BJ's. If you shop at BJ's, make sure you use the app because they always have coupons. And then I got Halloween candy. This one is from BJ's. I got another one from Target. I got 2 of the 100 piece packs for Halloween. So we have some candy to hand out. So here's the other one with the Sour Patch Kids and Swedish fish. Excuse me.
Okay. I'm from having a lot of fun.
Got some. Watch out, Corey. It's not for you. It's for Halloween. For the kids on Halloween. Got some oranges. And then also got some glasses from Target. They're having a sale right now. It's 20% off of all their drinking glasses and stuff. What are these called? Tumblers, I think. And some paper towels. I got you some barbecue sauce, Cody. I got these containers from Walmart for like flour, sugar, all that kind of stuff, like dry goods, the pantry items. So that's from Walmart. All of these are from Walmart. The flavored water. So I got 2 of the key lime, 2 of the pina colada. And I tried a new one. Strawberry daiquiri. So we'll see if that's good. Found some new Chobani flips at Aldi. So trying those out. Some lunch meat. What else? Got some strawberries, some grapes, and this is a Nashville style hot. So basically like Nashville hot chicken, but in a salad. And just some like condiments for the week, or it should last longer than a week, but some grape jam, some ketchup. Oh, I got these for you, Bernie. Some I figured you could have these as like a snack if you still hungry after you eat. You do like the tuna fish packet. I want to try this jalapeno one now. But yeah, I got jalapeno, 2 jalapeno, 2 lemon pepper, and 2 garlic and herbs. From Walmart, I just got a spatula because I needed at least just 1 spatula until I get a whole set of like kitchen utensils. Grapefruit. I actually got 2 grapefruits because I love grapefruit. And then some cucumbers, some grape tomatoes. You can grab that bag. A new flatware set. This one is from Target. I like the shape of the handles. I think, hold on, 3 sides. It's a hexagon, right? 3 sides? 6 sides is a hexagon. So it's like hexagonal at the bottom. So I thought these were cute. Some Italian bread. I need to figure out where to put stuff now. Got some crackers. Some of the extra toasty, like Cheez-Its, but from Aldi. And then like a bunch of snacks. So Cheez-Its are a snack, and then some Nutri-Grain bars. Some sweet and salty chocolate, peanut, and almond bars. Some honey buns. And some applesauce. They finally got the applesauce pouches back in stock. So I got one multi-fruit and one, what's this one? Peach.
This is my stuff.
And what's this one? The cashew, sweet and salty cashew bars. Bernie, you can take some of these bars for your lunch too. And I got you some peanuts. And then I was trying to get teriyaki sauce, but they didn't have it, so I'm trying this General Tso's sauce because I got some chicken. Oh wait, where's the? Oh, it's over there.
Mom.
Because I got some chicken thighs and then some. You love your shoes?
Yeah, can I wear
Some light syrup. Yeah, you gotta get the tag cut off of them.
Okay, here come.
Some natural peanut butter.
Could you cut the tag off? Could you cut the tag off?
Two of those. Some basically rotel, tomatoes and green chilies, marinara, and 2 packs of taco seasoning. Where's the other pack of taco seasoning? Oh, here it is. And that, no, that's not it. And then also got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs and some chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets are from BJ's, so it's like a 5-pound bag and then 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Put it in the trash, Corey.
Okay.
So I was at Macy's and they had these like sweat shorts on sale for, what was it, 40% off of $25. So they only came up to be $15 each. So I got my husband a few of these. I got in black and gray and then also got this blue color because this one was actually on clearance for $4.93. It's the same shorts, just in a different color. So I got 3 of these and that's everything I got. Macy's didn't sell furniture, so I couldn't look at like bar stools, counter stools or anything like that. So that particular location didn't have furniture. All right, now it's time to put all these groceries away.